Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Dealer. In this lecture, we will be talk about MySQL with the Python. So we will be see in this lecture how to connect your Python uh, to your MySQL server, and how to data insertion, and how to deletion getting, and also getting there also about updation. So here is a complete series about a MySQL with the Python. So if you want to get more information about to our database connectivity of MySQL, you can also switch to our website. The website is a salesforcedealer.com. After that, click on the Learn Python section. Then again, click on the Introduction and Installation. Now, in this lecture, we will be cover the installation and some introduction of the database. So database is a structured memory where we store organize information. Database contain the multiple table which may each include a different field, and field contain the important information. For example, a college may include a table of the student information, admission, employee detail, and their salary information. So Python can be used the database application. In this tutorial, we will be talk about the MySQL database. So we make all the program in which the context of MySQL. So here we will be talk about the MySQL. So before we working with the MySQL database, we have to download and install a MySQL database program in your local computer. So you can download free from the click on this link. So you can also click on this link. So let's see how to install the MySQL in your system. So click on the Google, open the Google. So type here download MySQL. After that, click on the MySQL. So we have to download the MySQL community server. So let's see. So here is a MySQL community server. Now go to download page. Now click on the download button. So no thanks, just start my download. Okay guys, now you can see my downloading has successfully started. So I am cancel that because I have already this file here. So now we will see the complete installation process of MySQL. So double click on this. So you can see my MySQL installer. So go to the custom installation. I need only MySQL server and Python connector only. So you can see here is a Python is a MySQL server 8.0.21. So I'm at this. Now we need a MySQL. It's a Python connector. So let's see where it is. So here you can see is a Python MySQL connector. So next. So next. So now execute this. Now you can see. Make sure your internet connection should be on when you have installed the MySQL. So next. Okay, next. Let's configure this. So now we have configured MySQL. So click on the next. So root password, I'm already set the password. So my current password is a 1234. So let's check it. Okay, it is connected. Now next, so let them execute. Okay, so finish, next, and last is finished. So install the Python connector also on your using the pip command. So pip install MySQL connector. So requirement already satisfied because I'm already installed in my system. So that's why it's given this message. So now your SQL is successfully installed in system. Your connector is also installed in system. Let's check that it is work or not. It's been it's successfully connected or not. So let's check. So opening the Python, import MySQL dot connector. Okay, there is no error message, so it's mean your connection is successfully established. So now let's check my DB. It is my object. My DB is my object. So MySQL dot connector dot connect. Now host is equals to what is your host? Basically now is my it is a local host. My is the host. So now it is given user. So I'm typing my username is the root. Type your username in the street of root. If you change this, so now it's a time to password. So password is my password is 1234. Here you can type your password. So now print my DB. If given the connection address, it's mean your connection has successfully established. So let's see. Press enter. So you can see it is my connection address. It's mean that's my SQL is successfully connect with the Python. Okay, guys. So that's it for this session, guys. In next lecture, we will be see how to create a database, how to insert, and all that. Okay, okay, guys. So thanks for my watching video. Thank you, guys.